How much is the Christmas Story train set? Oh man, what is this?
There's some Time magazines. There's all kinds of stuff. You know what this is?
No, I don't. Is that what these little pieces, these little circle things are? How much you have in the wrestling game?
$10. It's got the VHS in
Is it working condition stuff?
it. I spent on a box.
Oh no. It's covered in mold.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Man, that's an awesome piece too.
Yeah.
Got a lot of cool stuff, man.
Thanks.
I'm a big horror movie collector, and when I saw this Nightmare on Elm Street, this is a classic here. Unfortunately, once again, this one is covered in mold. When you guys do pick up VHSs, make sure you check the reels for mold. It is common back in the day that were stored improperly, that would happen. Do you need more cards, or is this it?
Yeah, more cards. I just don't have them out.
How much are the packs?
$5 for the 4 packs.
For the 4 packs, okay. What other cards do you have?
I've got over 1 million cards. But
Okay.
They're all,
Nothing else with you today?
I might. I don't know.
Oh,
I
okay.
still got to set up.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. I'm just bringing totes as they come.
As they come?
Because I've got so much stuff, I can't really.
Is that Florida State jacket?
Yep.
What do you ask on that?
I would do like $30 on it.
That's it?
It's actually, I mean, it needs to be clean, but it's pretty good for.
Yeah. Florida State stuff sells really well for me. I would love to pick up the jacket. Unfortunately, there was some damage to it that I didn't notice right away, so I decided to put it back. Probably buy some, so. What do you have in the Bulls bag? $10. $10. Interesting. If you guys ever come across these old Nintendo Powers, you want to check them to make sure they have the poster and the cards inside of them. This Nintendo Power by itself usually goes about $20-25. Unfortunately, someone drew on Ken Griffey Jr.'s face on the front of it, but it does have the poster and it does have the cards in here. So let's see what he wants for it. Do you have any more Nintendo Powers?
Not with me.
Man, some little kid drew on Ken Griffey's face. What do you have on that one?
$1.
I'll give you $1 for it. How much are your DVDs?
Most of the DVDs are $1 each.
Okay.
Unless it's, sets or whatever.
The sets are $1 or they're not, or they're more?
No, that's more.
How much are their sets?
It just depends, I guess.
Like, what would something like these sets cost?
I'll take $2.
$2 a piece? Okay. All right, let me look around and see what you got. Keep an eye out for the Dinosaurs DVD box set. This one goes for about $10 to $12. The complete series can actually bring anywhere from like $50 to $75. How much is the Christmas Story train set? Oh, sorry.
I think she's doing $150.
Yeah, I got.
But
I
she
didn't see
did
that.
research it that it sold for $320 and $399.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't see
And
the
it
tag.
is the Lionel
Yeah.
Christmas Story.
It's cool. This was a Target exclusive in 2009. Now in November, this did sell for almost $400. Unfortunately, the newest comps on this are around $100 to $225. So I decided to pass. Every time I see a table full of Hallmark Christmas ornaments, I'm always on the lookout for the early Christmas vacation ones, the ones from 2013, 2014. They can go anywhere from like $50 to $100 a piece. What's up, man? How are you?
Good. First time I seen you out here. Shit.
It's been a while, man. How you been, man?
I did 20 on that.
20 on that?
Yeah.
It's a cool little one.
Yeah, it's cool.
Are you a Packers fan?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. Aaron Rodgers stuff has been selling really well right now because Netflix just came out with a new documentary called Enigma. Normally I would have picked this jersey up, but it did have a stain on it, so I just decided to pass. Action figures. Look at these. How much are your toys? Oh, hey, how are you?
No, that's Joe. That table right there.
Okay.
25. Yeah.
25. What about your Batman toys and stuff? Okay. Tim, I didn't know you had all these tables, man.
Yeah, I got a lot. You know what this is?
No, I don't. Is that what these little pieces, these little circle things are?
It's for Power Rangers.
Oh, I didn't even realize that.
I didn't know either.
No. What's that thing, Doug?
Like this for good money. On
Really?
Yeah.
What are you selling it for?
I can give you a good deal on it. Look it up.
I don't even know what it's
I'll
called.
give you a good deal on all this shit. It's the Power Rangers, shit. Coin, display, something. I don't have my phone right there.
So I see a bunch of different ones, but these ones are slightly different.
Yeah, you gotta find the right one.
Yeah. So I see one brand new sold for 90,
Yeah.
but I don't see any used sold. Is this one right here? No, it's not it. What are you asking for it, you think?
I don't know, $30.
Would you do 20 on this guy?
Yeah, I'll just do
Okay. I must have looked at the wrong figure because the comps are kind of all over for this one. I thought it was a lot higher, and this one usually is going anywhere from like 30 to 40 bucks, so I'll probably much break even on it. I love myself some toys, man.
Oh, I know.
I do 20 for it. All right, thank you, man.
20 on that Power Rangers thing. I'll do 20 on that.
You want to do 20 on that one?
Yeah.
All right. I'll do it. You're always cool with me, man. I couldn't find any used soap comps, but at 20 bucks, I figured it was worth the risk. There was one listed on eBay right now at 100 bucks with over 10 watchers. Morning.
Morning.
Bat dance. These are cool. How much have you in your cassettes?
The hard case ones are $2 each.
$2 each.
Yeah.
Did you do a buck a piece for these two?
A buck a piece?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. These really don't have much value, but I just think they're super cool. I had these as a kid, so I had to pick them up. There you go, sir. Thank you, man. How's your shirt?
Asking 10 a piece, but I'd work with them. I think they're new.
Are they?
Things in like a gift boxes or whatever.
Gotcha. What would you do for both of them? For buying both?
Make me an offer.
Do you do $5 a piece?
I could probably do that for you.
Okay. These are vintage Disney Cruise Line shirts. I think we should get between 25 and 30 bucks a piece for them. I'm so afraid buying white shirts at the flea market.
I'm scared. That's the only reason you got them so cheap.
I just thought of it now. I was like, ah, crap. I gotta make sure I don't throw stuff on top of that.
$5 a piece.
How you guys doing today?
Hey, wonderful, guys. $2 on any of the albums, okay?
$2?
So John Reagan.
John Reagan.
Yeah, that was a nice jersey. That was a special edition jersey.
Yeah. You mind if I walk back there and look at those?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to find him, but yeah, those are dope. Oh, that's one of those. You have a sports card shop or something, or do you have a shop?
My father used to have like a memorabilia place.
Gotcha.
And he kind of got out of it.
You gotta have it, huh?
Are these albums as priced, or how much?
$2 for any out.
So these are, how much are these you said?
20
20 bucks? You have more jerseys or is this it?
Excuse me?
Do you have more jerseys or is this it?
That's, as far as I know, I'm not
Okay,
sure.
gotcha. And then what do you have on the Disney frame?
The Disney's, I got to get 25 on them.
25?
Yes, sir. Those are like Thomas Kincaid prints.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Kids, figures, right? For the one jersey.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'll take the Echo.
Okay. What do I have on?
15.
Okay.
If you decide you want later, we'll talk about it, but one of us is good.
Thank you.
Do you have the box of this?
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Do you have the box?
Not the box that it came in.
Oh, okay. Would you consider 5 for him?
Sure.
Okay.
5 without the box.
Okay. No problem.
Do you want me to wrap it?
Oh, please, if you don't mind.
Sure. Oh boy. You don't have.
Got 4.
I'll take ones.
Yeah, I literally just gave my ones to my last guy. I can come back. I can get change and come back.
Would you?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, because I don't
If you just
have
want to put them off the side for me?
Sure, I'll wrap them.
Yeah, perfect. Oh man, what is this? Oh, this is neat. Do you have any more cards? I see this. Oh, okay. Oh, he's looking through. As I was walking up, it was all the 1990 early movie Ninja Turtles cards. He actually bought them all as I was standing there. Vintage Ninja Turtles. Man, look at the cool toys. What is that?
Magazines, Mad magazines.
What are you asking for those?
Well, there's different things in here. I wanted 15 for the binder.
For the whole
It's
binder?
Mad, Crack. There's some Time magazines. There's all kinds of stuff in there. Yeah.
Gotcha. One.
Or older ones too.
Yeah.
I got a couple. I'll tell you what, if you wanted $10. Appreciate it. Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
You need change.
Mad magazines and Cracked magazines sell really well for us. We should get about 30 or 40 bucks for this entire lot. What year are the Playboys?
They're like, it's like 90s, 70s. There might be a few 60s in there. I would sell the whole thing cheap. You can take a look.
Yeah, let me go back and look.
I had a whole bunch more.
Yeah.
I'm getting $3 each. Mm-hmm. You can have all those for $20, but I need the total.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I think I'll pass on those ones. But here, let me pay you for the other.
Okay. You ever find a Trump one? They're going.
I know.
Big money.
Big money.
I think I got 5 of them.
Did you?
Yeah.
He is right. The March 1990 Donald Trump Playboy cover can sell for anywhere from like 50 to $100 right now. So if you guys do find it, pick it up. I literally walked down here, and then I took the 5. I got change, and on my way down here, I spent the $5, and then I had to go back to get more change.
Well, I didn't think you were coming.
No, I was coming back. That's what.
I had it wrapped and I unwrapped it.
Oh no, I was definitely coming back. I man of my word.
All right. Because it happened last time.
I know.
And they never came back. But I figured.
No, I went to get change, and then I finally got change, and then I was like on my way back, and then I went to go buy something, and someone's like, "Oh, I don't have any change." I'm like, "Oh, here, just take this," and then I'm like, "Damn it, that was a $5 I was supposed to give to her." In the early 2000s, there was a company called the Memory Company. What they did was they released a series of Santa figures with all the college mascots with all the made for sports. So if you guys do see them, pick them up. They go anywhere from like 20 to 30 bucks a piece. Once again, I had a lot of fun at the flea market. It's one of my favorite places to go because you can find a lot of curated items all in one isolated place. That's why I love going sourcing at flea markets. We found a lot of cool things. We didn't have any like huge major scores. You know what they say, nickels and dimes make dollars. And sometimes all these little pickups add up. We got a lot of bread and butter stuff today, so I'm real happy with that. But more importantly here, I want to wish each and every one of you guys a happy holiday. Thank you for all the support through the entire year. From the bottom of my heart, for me and my family, I want to wish you all a happy holiday. Have a happy new year. And we cannot wait for next year to see what we all find. So until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.